What's up, everybody? It's me, Sergio, with Mobility Direct. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the anti-tip wheels on the GoGo Super Portable by Pride Mobility. This mobility scooter just came out recently. We have a full in-depth review video, comparison videos, tons of videos about it. So if you want to learn more about it, check them out. But first, let's go ahead and talk about installing the anti-tip wheels on this scooter, which is going to allow you to roll it around like a suitcase if you're traveling at an airport or if you're just getting ready to load it in the trunk of your car. That's a really important feature, which, by the way, Pride Mobility is getting ready to actually pre-install those when you order it. But if you got one of the earlier models, unfortunately, it did not come with the anti-tip wheels. We can send them out to you, but you will need to install them yourself for now. Check with our non-commissioned sales experts before you order to make sure that they're included. And if they're not, just follow along with this video. You'll have them installed in no time. Now, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you more about this, talk about the specs, and give you access to a secret discount code, which will allow you to save big if you plan on purchasing one of these. So stay tuned till the end. So let's go ahead and get started. I've got the two anti-tip wheels here. It does also come with 4 nuts and a little instruction printout. Pretty straightforward though. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to have to fold the unit down first. And I'm going to go ahead and tip it over on its side. Now, as far as the tools that you're going to need, you will need a 6mm hex key and a 10mm wrench. By the way, folks, I do want to tell you about our free product catalog. It has all of our latest products, discount codes, and a ton of information about our company. If you want a copy, just go to our website, mobilitydirect.com. Click on the green button at the top of every page that says free catalog. Fill out the simple short form and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also just click at the top right-hand corner where it says Get Free Catalog. It'll take you right to the form, and you'll get one in the mail within 1 to 2 weeks tops. You could also call the number below, speak with one of our non-commissioned sales experts, give them your address, and they'll process the request for you. We'd love to earn your business. All right, so we've got the hex key and the wrench. These are the 2 bolts that need to come out for the top for one of the anti-tip wheels, and then you have another set down here for the second anti-tip wheel assembly. So here's a little bit better of an angle to show you. That is the nut that needs to come out, and that's the bolt head. There's a washer on the front side and on the back side. So when you take it out, make sure those washers go in as you install and reattach the nut and the bolt there. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just start to remove the nut and the bolt. I do recommend a stubby wrench. It's going to make it a little bit easier. And it's pretty straightforward, guys. I am going to fast forward through this process. All right. First bolt is out. Let's not lose the washer. There's the washer that goes with the nut. I'm going to pull the bolt out and keep the washer with it. And then we'll go ahead and remove the second one, install that first anti-tip wheel assembly. Pretty straightforward stuff. All right, so the nut and the washer did fall out. The bolt stayed on with the plate. So we're gonna go ahead and install the first anti-tip wheel assembly. All right, folks, so this plate we're actually not gonna need anymore. The plate that is attached to the anti-tip wheel assembly is gonna be used as the new plate. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna put this on so that the slanted part is slanting downwards like so towards the back. And let's go ahead and fish that bolt through with the nut just to secure it in place. And then what I'll do is I'll put those nuts on the back side of the bolt just finger tight for now. All right, so there we have it. The first one's installed. Let's go ahead and rinse and repeat for the other side. So I just flipped the scooter over, spun it around, gonna get a nice angle, but before we get started with the last anti-tip wheel assembly, I just wanna say thanks so much for watching our videos, supporting our content, and if you like what you're seeing, the best way to show appreciation is to like, comment, and share our videos on social media. If you have a Facebook, share it on your Facebook so others can see it. Not only is that gonna help spread the word about our awesome videos, but it's also gonna let people know about our company. By shopping at Mobility Direct, you're not only gonna get the best prices, lifetime customer support, you're also going to be contributing towards our community donation program. We give away mobility scooters all the time to people that truly need them. So if you want to potentially help change someone's life, shop at Mobility Direct. Part of every purchase goes towards funding our next giveaway. Together, we can make a difference. Did I also mention that by subscribing to our YouTube channel and leaving a comment on any video, you're automatically entered into our giveaway program? We randomly select people who subscribe and comment on our videos, and we give them a mobility scooter all the time. Check out our last few winners on the screen now and stay tuned to the end of the video to see a lot of the other past winners. It's amazing what you can do with a mobility scooter. We've changed the lives of a lot of different people, and we look forward to helping even more people out in the future. Thanks for your consideration. We hope to earn your business. All right, gonna get rid of this plate and install that anti-tip wheel assembly that has the plate attached to it. By the way, folks, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. We will reply to your comments. We will answer your question within 1 business day. All right, I'm pretty excited. Excuse the mess here. This is pretty unscripted. All right, there we go. So now, if you're rolling up to the plane entrance and you want to hand your scooter off to the flight crew, it's pretty easy to do so. You can roll it around too when you're getting ready to load it in the trunk of your car. A lot easier now. You don't have to worry about disengaging the brake system. The kickstands still work. Ready to go. Now remember to pay attention for that discount code and to see a bunch of heartfelt clips from our previous giveaway winners. Until next time, everybody, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. Have a great day. What were you saying?
I said it's a godsend that I got this. It's a miracle, really. I needed it desperately.
So this mobility scooter, it can be a little heavy and hard to transport.
Shoulders might be broken, and the wrist is broken. So I can't lift anything. Just to lift the pasta pot is hard.
We brought you a folding mobility scooter.
You're kidding.
Or this one.
You're gonna make me cry.
Nope, we're serious.
John.
It's brand new and it folds. It's lighter, very easy to work with. Looks like, you know, that's what we do, man. We just bless people that are subscribed to us, and
some beautiful weather out. Make sure you get out and enjoy it, man.
How you doing? I'm Sergio. This is Travis.
Man, nice to meet you, bro. I'm Drew. Nice to meet you.
It's gonna be a little easier than that cane. Yeah. Test her out.
Oh, right, man.
So clean wheels, Dad. This like early Christmas.
He's hungry. He's like, get out of my way. I'm hungry. I'm going to get me some food right now. Hey, I heard you're using this wheelchair right now, and it's kind of tough. Why don't you go look right over there? I got my best friend Andrew with me. He's got something for you.
Hi, Rhonda.
Oh my God.
How are you?
Oh wow. Oh my God.
This is your scooter, ma'am.
Honey, I don't know how to thank you.
Hey, you're very welcome.
Thank you so very much.
This must be Barbara. How you doing, Barbara? I know it's not going to solve all your problems. I know you've had the flood. You want to try it out?
Oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful.
You like it?
Oh, I love it.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
All you did was what?
I
Subscribe?
subscribed.
And you got called?
Yes, and I got called, and I love the channel, and you guys care about us.
I'm so glad that the scooter ended up in, you know, your hands, someone that really can use it and appreciate it.
Yeah, really have no idea. I really thank you so much.
No problem. Can I get a hug?
Yes.
Another hug?
Definitely.
Enjoy the fresh air.
There you go.
There you go. Nice. So I got you one. Hope you don't mind. It's just, yeah, this is yours. This is all yours. You know, you needed one and you're using a manual one and it's kind of hurting a little bit. So don't cry. Oh, come on. Can I get a hug? No, don't. It's okay. Don't cry. You should be excited. This is for you. Nice and smooth, right? Not too bad. She got her power wheelchair. She loves it. and we couldn't be happier to help somebody out. Hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel and you could be the next lucky winner. Isn't that right?
Thank you, Sergio.
Thank you for subscribing and supporting our YouTube channel.
Thank
I hope you enjoy your power chair.
It's going to be a huge help, an absolute huge help. Thank you. Thank you very
You're
much.
very welcome.